Ushers are a great way, especially for older children and youth to get involved. And so I really wanted to highlight this because getting our youth involved in ushers is not something I had really anything to do with. This was something that I think is a reflective of how our entire congregation values children and youth. So in our church on Sundays, we have three ushers. And usually our head usher will collect those ushers at the beginning of the church service. And almost every Sunday, one of those ushers is one of our youth. My son has actually been asked a few times to even head usher when our head usher was going to be absent, which was just really cool to have him entrusted to that responsibility. And it can be a great way for your youth to continue feeling included and feeling important, and feeling like they are getting to do something valuable in the church. Something really cool about this is that it also inspired our younger kids. So I'll talk more about our setup in the balcony later, but basically, in the balcony, the only people who sit up there are children and youth. And one Sunday, without any prompting from me, there's a collection plate up in the balcony. I don't know where it came from, but there was a collection plate up there. And one of our kids said, "Can I usher in the balcony?" And I said, "That sounds like a great idea." And so he took the collection plate and he walked around. He went to the other youth that were sitting in the balcony and the other kids. In our church, we have a practice where if you don't have anything to put in the plate, you just touch the plate to kind of symbolize the ways that you're contributing to the church's mission outside the church, outside of monetary donations. And so went around and allowed everybody to touch the plate in the balcony. And then if we do ever collect something, he can run it down to the ushers in the basement, or not in the basement, on the main floor. And so this was such a cool thing that kind of happened. And now I never organize this. I never asked them to do it. One of the kids will just say, "Can I usher this morning?" And I say, "Yep, go for it." And it's something they've just kind of completely taken over for themselves, was completely inspired by them, completely ran by them. It is totally their thing at this point. And I think that getting to see a youth doing it down there is a part of why they were like, "Hey, I think that's something I can do." If that kid who, was sitting back in the space with me a few years ago is doing that on the floor now, I think I can do that in the balcony. So it's just completely child developed. And I was, really proud that they felt empowered and felt like they could do that. And so just kind of following their lead and seeing something that was important to them that they got to be involved in.